How to fix if Forza Horizon 4 is not launching. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to search bar and search Task Manager. Then click on More Details located on bottom left corner of your screen. After clicking on that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Processes on top left corner of your screen below File. Then make sure you search Forza Horizon 4 application in here. After you find your application, make sure you click on that. Then you'll find these options. Click on End Task. After clicking on that, you're good to go. Make sure you restart your laptop and your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix if Forza Horizon 4 is not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.